Hello, a very good evening to all my lovely boys and girls. I hope you're all doing good. Welcome people. So today we will be having a look at this wonderful chapter called as statistics, a very easy laddu topic wherein you can get easily 4 marks in your JEE Mains exam. Okay, so that is what I'll be teaching you all. Are you all ready? Are you all excited? Welcome. No one. Thank you so much. That means a lot. Sri Teja, I am here. Can you see me now? Welcome. Hello, Paridhi. Vishesh. Welcome, Vishesh. Nice to see you, man. Long time. Hello, Vijaya. Yes, you are welcome always, anytime. Avinash. Vanakkam, Avinash. Nice to see you. So, people, how many of you are looking to revise statistics for your JEE Mains? Because it's an easy topic. You might already know everything, but I want to teach you a little bit extra. What are those extra points? I'll teach you variance, I will teach you standard deviation, and I will teach you coefficient of variance. Okay, so these are the 3 points which I will teach you, which are going to be slightly extra. I will keep it very short, 1 hour. Pakka 1 hour we'll finish. If you guys let me teach properly without disturbing me, I will finish it within 1 hour. Pakka. Okay, very good. Vijaya says, I've decided to forget it. No, Vijaya, it's very important. If you want to become a doctor, you have a subject called as biostatistics. So I remember this very well because some of my friends who are doctors, they used to ask me to teach them biostatistics. Okay, so you need this, so better listen properly. Okay, great. Yes, absolutely, Shiv. Shiv, you're right, man. So people, shall we begin? Are you all excited? Can I see some fires? Can I see some yo in the chat? Very good. So this is going to be statistics one-shot marathon. In one shot, I'm going to finish this chapter because it's a very small, chota chapter. Okay. And you're going to hear it from Shimon sir. Now, many of you might be wondering, who is Shimon sir? So people, my name is Shimon Joseph and I teach mathematics in Vedantu. So if you are an engineering student who was writing JEE Mains or JEE Advanced or VIT, SRM, BITS, you name it, if you are preparing for engineering, you are at the right place. Because we have 3 wonderful teachers in this channel who will guide you to your desired college. Okay. And talking about my background, I did my BTech from IIT Madras. So yes, I was one among you a few years back. I also was excited about JEE Mains, JEE Advanced. I wrote these exams, I too competed with my friends, and eventually I could make it into IITs because of the hard work, the good teachers, the good surroundings that I had, and I wish to create that for you over here through Vedantu. Okay, so shall we begin, guys? Are you all ready? So in case if you want to talk to me or if you want to ask me something, you can message me on Instagram. That is my Instagram ID. And I have the same ID in Telegram as well. Okay, very good. Vishesh, Paridhi, yes, I'll be teaching the fusion batch. Paridhi. I will let you know if there is any change. I would definitely love to teach for you guys as well. I know a lot of you have been texting me and I feel really bad. But I hope we will get something good. I will let you know if anything comes up, Paridhi. Okay, great. So shall we begin? Are you guys ready? So what channel are you watching currently? You, my dear, are watching JEE Enthuse, the official English channel of Vedantu. So Vedantu is an online live tutoring platform where we train students to reach top ranks in JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and all competitive exams. We create a displacement wherever you are. We don't only focus on toppers, we create displacements, massive displacement. What is that? If you are currently at 10,000 rank, we will make sure you come into top 1,000 or even top 500. So that is the displacement we create because of our pedagogy, the way we teach, the system, our teachers, all of it put together creates such a very harmonic and synergetic environment for you guys. Okay, so that is why the name Enthuse. Enthuse means to excite, to motivate, to energize you guys to do it on your own. because you guys are capable. You can do it on your own. We just need to push you. We just need to motivate you. That's what I'm going to do. So people, that's my ID in case you want to message me. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe because I want to see you again. This should not be a hi and bye. Okay, it should be hi and I'm going to stay here forever. Okay, so it should be like that. So are you ready for the marathon? Did you all tie your shoelace? Because I don't want you to trip and fall over. Okay, so please tie your shoelace, have your water bottle, bring your snacks and get ready for the race because it's going to take 1 hour. Okay, I don't want you to get distracted in between. So shall we get started? Hello Nanda Kishore, Games Master, Draw and Draw. Welcome, welcome. Great. Nandini, you did not tie your lace. Okay, it's all right. I think you are advanced runner, advanced sprinter, so you can manage without tying lace also. No problem. Oh, you have tied it now. Great, great, great. So people, shall we get started? Let's go. The very first thing is the Laddu topic. Mean, median, mode. We have been studying this right from pre-KG. Before we learn to walk, we have heard about mean, median and mode. What is that? They are all measures of central tendency. Okay, we are all gonna measure central tendency. For example, if you have a class of 40 people, so in your class the average height might be 5 feet or 5.5 feet. In your class the average height might be 5 feet or 5.5 feet. So that is called mean. So when you tell me, sir, in my class the average height is 5.5 feet, sir, then I understand, okay, most of the students in the class must be near 5.5 feet. So that is why central tendencies are very important. Central tendencies are very important. Are you all clear? Did you all like it? Perfect. So what are the 3 central tendencies that we need to know? We need to know mean, we need to know median, we need to know mode. Mode is very easy. What is mode? Mode is the most frequently occurring data. Mode is the most frequently occurring data. Very simple. So whatever data is occurring maximum number of times, that's called as the mode. And what is mean? Mean is the average. Average means what? Average means the sum of all the observations divided by total number of observations. That's going to give you your average. Got it? Now what is median? So guys, for median, you need to remember one thing which people always forget. Which people always forget. What do you forget? For median, you have to either arrange it in ascending order or you have to arrange it in descending order. That is very important. Okay. So whenever you are trying to find the median, please remember you need to arrange the numbers. You need to arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. Please don't forget that. That's very important. So after you arrange in either ascending or descending order, the middlemost data is called as median. The middlemost data is called as median. Are you all happy with it? Did you all like it? So let me give you an example. Let's all try to do this. Okay. So let's say you have 2, 3, -1, 0, 4, 3, 7, 5. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the mean, median and mode? Can you guys tell me what is the mean? What is the median? What is the mode? Come on people, everybody, go for it. I will give you exactly 30 seconds. I know you guys are capable. I want everybody to answer. Okay. Very good, very good, very good. Amazing. It would be great if the crash course is also like this. I know, Sri Teja. I know many people have been requesting for that. Let's see, maybe one day we will make it happen. Okay. That requires a lot of technology. It's not as easy as you think. Mode is 3. Akash, correctly you're telling the easiest one now. But good job, man. Good job. I like that you participated. Yes, mode is 3 because 3 is repeating 2 times. Okay. 3 is repeating 2 times. So you guys are all absolutely right, my dear boys and girls. Great job, keep it up. Now, what is your mean and median? Come on people, what are you all doing? Mean is gonna be 5, 10, 17, 20, 24, 23. So mean is gonna be 23 by 8. Mean is gonna be 23 by 8. What is the symbol of mean? The symbol of mean is gonna be X bar, 23 by 8. Did you all like it? Very good, Vijaya. Very good. Draw and draw. What about others? Guys, did you all like it? So that is how you find the mean. What is median? For median, you have to arrange it in ascending order or descending order. So I choose ascending order. So I'll get something like this. Is that right? So this is my data in ascending order. Okay, this is my data in ascending order. So now, what is median? Median is the average of the middlemost data. So here, since I have even number of terms, there will be 2 middle terms. Okay, so since I have even number of terms, I'll have 2 middle terms. So it's going to be the average of these 2. So average of 3 and 3 is 3 only. So median is going to be 3. And mode is going to be, mode is also 3. Did you all like it? Was it epic? Was it epic? Modern man, yes, absolutely. 120 is very much achievable. 120 is very much achievable if you do the easy kill topics. I've already told you what are the easy kill topics, what are the sure shot topics. Even with subtopics I have given you. So use that. Make use of those videos. You will benefit a lot from them. Got it? So everybody happy? Can you give me some fire? Can you give me some yo in the chat? And then we will move forward, my dear boys and girls. Come on guys, quickly. Nanda Kumar, Sai Pratik, Vijaya, great Vijaya, absolutely right. So that is the procedure guys. I hope you all remember. These are all basic stuff which you might have studied in your 10th standard. But you know what? From 10th standard level, JEE Main 2019 question has come. So I'm going to give you JEE Mains questions and I'm going to help you to reach that level. I'm going to give you the confidence to solve any JEE Main question which can pop up in your exam. Okay, so let's work together. Come on people. What is the weightage of statistics in JEE Mains? Akash, for sure you will get 1 question. For sure you will get 1 question, Akash. So right now what we are trying to do is we are trying to help you reach a level wherein you can pakka be assured of that 1 mark. Of that 1 question, 4 marks. Okay. Great. Very good, Rishita Reddy, Nanda Kumar, fantastic. Come on people, everybody try it out. I don't want anybody to give up. These are all easy stuff which all of you guys can solve. The mean and median of the following 10 numbers are 42 and 35. Very good, Ishika. Welcome, Ishika. Pratibha. Welcome, Pratibha. Nice to have you here. Welcome to our class. Great. So, Sumant, if you want 99 percentile, you have to be in top 200 marks. Top 200 plus marks. Okay. Very good, very good. Yes, all in one Tamilan. I will do that. I already do videos, man, in Tamil channel. Check it out. Vedantu Master. That's the channel name. Okay. So people, let's get started. Are you all ready? Now, what do we have here? So we have the mean to be 42. So mean is what? How many numbers are there? There are 10 numbers. So mean is nothing but the addition of all of them. 10 plus 22 plus 26 plus 29 plus 34 plus x plus 67 plus 42 plus 70 plus y by 10 is equal to 42. By 10 is equal to 42. So how much will that be? So if I bring the 10 to this side, it will become 420. And then what do you have here? 10, 32, 52, 58, 58, 87. 87 plus 34, 121, right? 121, and then 188, and then 230, 300. Okay. So 300, if I subtract here, what will I get? 420 minus 300, is equal to x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 120. That's the first thing which I got. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with it? Very good. Vijaya, that's absolutely right, Vijaya. Perfect, perfect. Very good. That's absolutely right. Okay. So now, shall I move forward? Great. Very good, Akash. Akash is also right. Ishika is right. Fantastic, guys. So I got one relation. The next one is median. So median is going to be 35. So what is the median? So guys, if you look at it here, it is given in ascending order. So it is given in ascending order. Can you see that? So median is the average of middle two numbers. Why average of middle two numbers? Because overall you have even number of terms. Whenever you have even number of terms, there will be two middle terms. So when you have 4 fingers, there will be 2 middle fingers, right? So like that, whenever you have even number of terms, you will have 2 middle terms and you have to take the average of them to find the median. So here it is given in ascending order. So the middle 2 terms average will be my median. So 34 plus x by 2 is equal to my median. My median is how much? It's given to be 35. So x is equal to how much? It's going to be 70 minus 34. So x is equal to 36. Did you all like that? Are you all happy with it, people? Everybody cool with that? So that is the way you solve it. Great. So x is 36. We know that x plus y is equal to 120. So if x is 36, then you know y is equal to 120 minus x. So 120 minus 36 will be 84. So 84 is y, 36 is x. So y by x will be 84 by 36. 12 tables will go 7 by 3. So that is why option A is correct. Did you all like it? Are you all happy with it? Yep. Great job, guys. Great job. Good one. Good one, good one, good one. So now let's move forward and have a look at the next question. Again, this question is from 2021. Last year. Very recent year question. Okay. So all of you please try it out. I want everybody to do it. Come on, guys. Quickly. Laddu. Yes, absolutely. Very good. Very good. What about others? Guys, are you with me? Everybody please respond. If you are done, then give me a fire and try to solve this question, because this is also a very simple question. Look at how they ask, man. Look at how they ask. These are all very easy questions. Even 10th standard students can solve them. Even 10th standard students can solve them. And look at it. It's a JEE Main 21 question last year. It cannot get more recent than this. To get 99 percentile in each subject, how much should we get? Sumant, in each subject, if you want 99 percentile, you should score around 85 in everything. 85 in everything. Getting 99 in everything is actually overall more than 99.5, 99.6. I hope that makes sense. Do you get that? If you get 99 in PCM, then your overall percentile will be much more than 99. It will be 99.67. Okay. 35. Very good, Vijaya. You are absolutely right. Ishika is right. Draw and draw. You are also right. Absolutely. Because guys, 35 is the answer. So what do we have? We have 25 teachers in the school. So sum of the teachers' ages. Sum of the teacher's age by 25 is equal to 40. So what is the sum of the teacher's age? Sum of the teacher's age is 1000. So from this, you are removing one teacher because she is retiring. She got 60 years of age and she is about to retire. So you remove 60 years and a new teacher is appointed whose age we don't know. So whose age we don't know. Got it? So I'm going to subtract 60 and add x. So this is the new sum of the ages. So the new sum of the ages is 1000 minus 60 is 940 plus x by, now total number of teachers will be how much? Total number of teachers will be same, 25 only. Why same? Because 25 were there, one will leave and one came inside. So effectively it's going to be the same. So this is the new average. This is the new mean. The new mean is how much? The new mean is 39. So what is x? X will be 39 into 25. 39 into 25 minus 940. So this will be 975. So 975 minus 940 will be 35. So the age of the new teacher is 35. So that means a very young teacher has joined in place of the teacher who is retiring. Did you all like it? Are you live, sir? Yes, Saubhagya, I am absolutely live. Okay, so shall we move forward? Are you guys happy? Can I get some thumbs up? Can I get some yo? And guys, this is an actual JEE Main question, okay? No jokes. You can go and check it out. This is an actual JEE Main question. So it is not that difficult. I want this session to be a confidence booster. For all those who are scared, who are thinking, should I start preparing? Should I give up? This should be a motivation, okay? So begin and put your best effort. Maybe you will crack it, okay? So let's move forward, guys. Let's go ahead. Great. So now, what are the properties of mean? So properties of mean are very important. So I will talk about it quickly and then we'll keep moving forward, okay? I'm going to cover all the important aspects, avenues in this chapter that can probably come up in your exam, okay? So let's go, people. What are the first properties that we need to know? If every term is added, subtracted, multiplied or divided by a constant, then the new mean will also be added, subtracted, multiplied or divided by the same constant. What I mean by this is, for example, let's say you have data x1, x2, x3, x4. So let's say the mean for this is x bar. The mean for that is x bar. Now, if I add a constant to all the terms, then the new mean will also be old mean plus alpha. That's what the first one says. The second one is, if I subtract a constant from all the individual terms, then the new mean will be old mean minus alpha. Similarly for multiplication, similarly for division as well. Did you all like it? Are you all cool with it? Shall I move forward? Great. Very good. Sri Teja, fire truck I see. Nice, nice, nice. That much fire, huh? Great. Very good. Superb. Yes, Bhargavi. Bhargavi, this is a very simple chapter. Okay, so don't be scared. I will make it even easier. By the end of this class, you will realize that. Okay, now next one. The sum of deviation of each value from the mean is 0. Okay, so let's try to understand what this means. Okay, let's try to understand what this means. Hello, Hari Krishnan. Vanakkam. Nice to have you, man. Welcome. So people, let us say you have data like this, x1, x2, x3, x4 and all that, okay? And the mean is x bar. So deviation means what? What is deviation from mean? Deviation from mean, my dear boys and girls, is nothing but x1 minus x bar. Did you all like that? Or xi minus x bar. So sum of the deviation from the mean will be what? It will be x1 minus x bar plus x2 minus x bar plus x3 minus x bar plus x4 minus x bar. So there are only 4 terms I have chosen in this example. You can take n terms also. But n terms means it will be a variable. Nah? You guys will not be able to understand it better. That's why I took 4 terms only. So now, what will I have? I'll have x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 minus 4 times of x bar. Now, for this, x bar is what? X bar is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. X bar means mean. Nah? Mean is nothing but the average of all of them. So, it is going to be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 by 4. So 4x bar will be x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4. So can I cancel all of them? This and this will get cancelled. So do you agree? Deviation from the mean, summation of all the deviations will be 0. Did I prove it? Did I prove it? The sum of all the deviations from the mean is going to be 0. Did you all like that? Very good. Hello, Ivana. Welcome. Great, great. Ishika, tomorrow is your farewell. Great. Have fun. Have a good time. Click a lot of photos because you will cherish them later. Okay. And dress up really well. I did regret not dressing up for my farewell. I put one random coat and then I went for my farewell. Now I was seeing my pictures. I was seeing my farewell pictures and I could have done a lot of things better. Okay. So that's what I'm telling. Click a lot of pictures, dress up really well so that you don't regret it later. Okay. Great. Tomorrow is your PTM. What extreme, man. One girl is having farewell, one guy is having PTM. Good luck both of you. Enjoy. So guys, shall we get started? Okay, so I have explained the second point also. Let's go to the third point now. Okay, so let's go to the third point. What is the third point? The mean of two groups of same unit of measurement is given by this one. So let's say you have one group in which you have x1, x2, x3, xn. Okay, and their mean is x bar. And then you have second group y1, y2, y3 and all the way up to ym, and their mean is y bar. Then the total mean is nx bar plus my bar by n plus m. That is the total mean. If I join both these groups together, the total mean is given by this one. For example, your class average, your class average marks. One more section will be there, B section. You are A section, B section will be there. Their average marks also I know. But I want to understand together full average marks. A section and B section put together. Then your teacher will use this formula to calculate the overall average. Did you all like it? Are you all clear, guys? Everybody happy with this? So that is the formula which I have mentioned here. Please make a note of it. Now, shall we move to a question? Come on people, everybody. Let's try to do it. Do you take any Sankal batch? Nega, I teach the fusion batch for now. Okay. My batch is starting next Monday. So in case you haven't joined the fusion batch, you can check it out. And in pro subscription, right now I'm not sure. If anything comes up, I will 100% let you know because a lot of my students are also waiting. I will try to do it. Okay. Milesh, I was not here last week, man, but I'm taking sessions regularly now. Please check it out. Okay. So guys, shall we do this question? What are you all doing? Everybody. What are you all doing? Draw and draw is absolutely right. What about others? And Ankit, welcome Ankit. Nice to have you. Very good, very good. Awesome Ankit. All the best, man. Keep working. Do well, do well. Sanjay Ram, our school also had farewell, sir. Great Sanjay. I hope you had fun. And I hope you took a lot of pictures because that's gonna be of great value after 10 years. Okay, you will treasure them. So people, are you all done with it? Where is the response, guys? Everybody is sleeping or what? It is just 5:30. Come on, be active. You are just 16, 17-year-olds. Okay. Akash says C. And Shri Teja is also right. Very good. Hello, Mohammad Siad. Welcome, Mohammad Siad. Nice to have you, man. Okay. So, guys, mean of n terms is x bar. Okay. So, you have n terms. x1, x2, x3, x4, all the way up to xn. So that mean is x bar. Now what I'm doing, I'm increasing first one by 1, I'm increasing second one by 2, I'm increasing third one by 3, like that last term I'm increasing by n. So divided by n, the new mean I want to find out. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 till xn, x1 plus x2 plus x3 till xn by n, that is the old mean, plus you have 1 plus 2 plus 3 till all the way up to n divided by n, that is equal to new mean. So this is going to be old mean plus this is going to be what? Sum of first n natural numbers. Sum of first n natural numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by n. Why? Because you have n here. So this n and this n will get cancelled. So you'll have x bar plus n plus 1 by 2. X bar plus n plus 1 by 2. So that is why the answer is going to be option C. That is why the answer is going to be option C. Are you all clear? So Abhishek, my name is Shimon Joseph, man. Welcome. Nice to have you. Exalt, absolutely right. No problem, Exalt. Welcome. Siranjeevi, I am doing great, man. Thank you for asking. Mohammed, try to log in again or use a website from your computer and then you will be able to see. Okay. Great, great, great. So with that, people, let's move forward to the next one. Come on, people, everybody, let's solve it. Hello, Sandeep. Good, man. It was long back, 12 years back. Now we have lots of great teachers here in Vedantu and we are all helping each other out. And I'm sure students are greatly benefiting from this new mode of learning online, isn't it? Especially during COVID, man. Crazy it was, right? But back then, yes, I did study in an offline setup. Of course, because of that only I was able to make it into IIT. I was able to be a state topper in JEE Mains. So definitely that is true. But now through Vedantu, I'm trying to do the same for all my lovely students. So make sure you guys use it. Okay. Very good. Thank you, Abhishek. I'm glad you're enjoying it, man. Yes, yes, absolutely, Siranjeevi. So draw and draw says 31. So 31, let's check whether you are the right answer or not. Okay. So people, listen carefully, everybody. This is a good question. The sum of deviations of 50 observations from 30 is 50. Okay. The sum of all the 50 observations from 30 is 50. Okay. So let's try to understand what that means. Okay. And then we will try to find the mean of all these observations. Got it? Great. So you have totally 50 observations and you're gonna take the deviations from 30. Okay. So how do you do that? Can you guys help me here? So first term minus 30. So this summation is going to be 50. So I'm going to sum this up 50 times. I'm going to sum this up 50 times for all the 50 terms. That is going to be equal to 50. Correct now? So now people, sigma xi minus sigma 30 is equal to 50. Now, how many times I'm going to run the sigma? How many times I'm going to run the sigma? 50 times. Why? Because there are 50 terms. Why? Because I can go from first term to 50th term. Got it? So, sigma xi from I equal to 1 to 50 will be equal to how much? 30, 50 times. This is a constant, right? So, constant added 50 times will be 1500. So, 1500 plus 50 will be 1550. So, that is your sigma xi. Did you all like it? Very good, Vijaya. Fantastic. That's right. Good job. Good job. Okay. So now let's move forward. What is the question they're asking? The mean of all these observations. Mean means I have to divide by total number of observations. So divide by 50. So if I divide by 50, I'll get 31. Okay. If I divide by 50, I'll get 31. Don't worry. That is the right answer. Good job. Did you all like it? Fantastic, fantastic guys. Perfect. Siranjeevi, fantastic. Abhishek, absolutely right. Kanishka, no problem Kanishka, you can join from now, no problem. Okay, great job. So shall I move forward? Can I get some fire in the chat? Can I get some yo? And then we will go ahead to the next one. Great. So people, before we go to the next part, I hope all of you who are preparing for JEE Mains are aware that we have a crash course running in Vedantu right now, and that is priced only at 1,800, and the batch is currently going on. So in case if you are interested to revise all the chapters in this manner, see, still you have 20 days. Still you have 20 days, you can bring a change. So in case you are one such person who wants to bring a change, you can check this out. The link is below in the description. Just check below this video. You'll have some description, right? There I would have given the link to join this course. If you're interested, you can go for it. I also teach in this. Myself, Shreyas sir, Wasim sir, all three of us teach in this. Even today, I took a class in this particular crash course. Okay, so you can go and check it out. Now, moving forward. Great, great, great. No problem, Sri Teja, that's all right. Now, moving forward, let's try to understand what is mean deviation. Okay, so guys, deviation can be calculated about any value. Okay, so deviation can be calculated about any value. So mean deviation means it is going to be about the mean. It is going to be about the mean. That is called as mean deviation. And you can also calculate it about the median. You can also calculate it about any value. Okay, so if you calculate it about the mean, you call it mean deviation. But guys, this we know is 0. So to make some sense out of it, we put modulus. Because if I don't put modulus, that value is 0. That value is 0. So why mean deviation is very important? Why mean deviation is very important? Sir, why can't you be happy with mean, sir? Why do you need mean deviation? Because I want to know how much the data is spread out. How much the data is spread out about the mean. Got it? So for example, in your class, one boy is 4 feet, one boy is 6 feet, one boy is 2 feet. This is class 11A. In another class, it is 4 feet, 4.1 feet, and 3.9 feet. What is the mean here? I'm your class teacher. I come inside your class. I'm asking you, guys, what is the mean of your class? Sir, my class mean is 4 feet, sir. What is your mean of class? Section B. Sir, our class also 4 feet, sir. Then I'll come to your class and see, what man, you told 4 feet, one guy is 6 feet tall. That is the problem. So, only central tendency is not enough. Only mean is not enough. Because even the mean, if they are same, inside the data can be very different. Inside the data can be very different. So for that, I need to understand some more quantities. That's called as measures of dispersion. That's called as measures of dispersion. Okay. So guys, a lot of your messages are getting deleted, I think. Please don't mind. I think moderator is new to the channel, that's why. So guys, don't worry about it. Now, measures of dispersion means what? It is going to measure what's happening to the data. Got it? So one such measures of dispersion is deviation. Then you have variance, you have standard deviation, you have coefficient of variation. All of that is going to be important. So shall we get started? Yup. Very good. So let's get going, people. Here we go. A question for all of you. Please try it out. This is a very important question. Come on, guys. Let's see if you all can crack it. Hello, Bhargav. Welcome, Bhargav. Nice to have you here. Great. So people, what about others? Very, very silent you guys are today. Everybody is wanting only mock test. Huh? No need of Marathon, is it? This is a very important chapter, guys. You will get pakka one question from here. And you have to score it, na? That's why we have brought it here for you. So make use of it. Come on. Try to be more involved, more participating. That's important. Mohammad Siad, welcome, man. I'm so happy to have you here. I hope now it's working for you, the crash course. Did you try what I said? I forgot statistics was in syllabus. Oh my God, next level. Bhargav, it's very easy and important, man. Is it option C? We will check it, we will check it. Draw and draw is also absolutely right. Very good. Siranjeevi, very good. Absolutely right, I guess. So first of all, guys, we have to find the mean. What is the mean? What is the mean? The mean is going to be addition of all of them divided by 100. Correct, na? The addition of all of them divided by 100. Is that correct? Because I think there are 100 terms or 101 terms, right? 101 terms. Isn't that right? So let's do it. So what do we have? 1 plus 1 plus d plus 1 plus 2d all the way up to 1 plus 100d. So there are 101 terms. So I'm going to divide by 101. So what is the mean? It's going to be 101 plus, you have d plus 2d till 100d. So if I take d common, it is 1 to 100. Summation of 1 to 100 is n into n plus 1 by 2 divided by 101. So 101, 101, 101 will get cancelled. So 50, 100 by 2 will become 50. So what is the mean? The mean is 1 plus 50d. Guys, this is just first part of the question. This question is very lengthy. This question is very lengthy. This is just the first part of the question. Did you all like that? Did you all like that? This is just the first part of the question because we have to calculate mean deviation about the mean. So I just found the mean. Now I have to check mean deviation. Now I have to check mean deviation. So let's try to have a look at it. What is mean deviation? Mean deviation is sigma xi minus x bar. What is x bar? X bar is 1 plus 50d. So it's going to be xi minus x bar modulus divided by total number of terms. As simple as that. So now you guys can do it now. 1 minus 1 plus 50d, that will be 50d. Then you'll have 49d. And then you'll have till 0d. And then again you'll go up to 50d. So that divided by 101 is your answer. So that I think you guys can do it. Are you all cool with it? So that's going to be 225. So that's going to be 225. So now you guys can solve it and get the answer. So you go all the way up to 1d. And again it rises 1d to 50d. So 50 to 1, again 1 to 50. So it is twice of 1 to 50 summation. It is twice of 1 to 50 summation. Did you all like it? Are you all cool with it? Assault Pandrom. Yes, yes, yes. Shashank, first attempt, will it postpone? I have no idea, man. If it happens, I'll let you know. Mr. Terrible, welcome. Thank you so much. I'm glad you are enjoying the lectures. So people, shall we move forward? Did you love it? Are you all happy with this? Good question, na? So this I think you can do it. So if you want me to solve it fully, let me do it for you. So 1 to 50 summation is what? 1 to 50 is 50 into 51 by 2 into d, and 2 times we have it. This is 1 time, this is 1 time. So I have to put 2 times, and that will be 101 into 225. So now 2 cancels. So now you can find out what is d by taking it to the other side. Are you all clear? Did you all like it, people? Everybody happy with it? Got it? Very good, very good. So people, with that, we will move to the next one. I hope you're all clear with it. In case you have any doubts, please feel free to ask. Okay, that's exactly what I got. So guys, it is 255, not 225, I think. So here it's printed wrong. It's 255 because 51 5s are is 255. 51 5 times is 255. Okay, please make sure you know that. Okay, because I was thinking why it's not cancelling. And correctly you see this is a typing error. It should have been 255. Got it? Because only then it will cancel properly 5 times. And then you can solve it very easily. Do you teach in pro subscription? Anita, yes. Last year I was teaching. This year I am teaching the fusion batch. Any pro batch live will I be taking? I am not sure. If I teach, I will let you know for sure. Okay? Cool. So try to be regular in our channel, guys. We will definitely want to help you and we will let you know if any good announcement comes. Okay, so now moving on to the next part, guys. See, these two areas are very important because you get a lot of questions from here. Okay, this is very important because you get a lot of questions from this particular area. So please pay attention. It's very easy. I will make it super simple for you. I will make it super simple for you. Okay, great. So Rishita, binomial theorem, if you find it very hard, okay, you can leave it. But for JEE Mains, nothing is hard. That's what I believe in. So if you have time, go study that also. Okay, perfect. So guys, let's try to get started. What do we have here? So variance is equal to xi minus x bar whole square by n. See, I'll tell you from mean deviation. See, mean deviation is a measure of dispersion. How spread out your data is. How spread out your data is. So that's your mean deviation. Okay, so that's going to be what? Sigma xi minus x bar modulus by n. So we wanted something more better than this. I don't want modulus. I want something better which can also tell me how spread out my data is. How spread out my data is. So that is where variance comes. So variance is nothing but, instead of modulus makes it positive, right? Modulus makes it positive. What else can make it positive? Square. Square can also make it positive. So xi minus x bar whole square whole divided by n. This is going to be your variance. As simple as that. But many of you who know a little bit of variance will ask me, sir, in my class, in my school, in my textbook, in my coaching, they never use this formula, sir. They used to give one more formula. Where is that formula, sir? I will show you. Okay. So what is the formula that is more frequently used? Please listen carefully. The formula that is more frequently used is your variance is equal to sigma xi square by n minus x bar the whole square. So this is the most frequently used formula. This and this are the same. This and this are the same. This is just a different form in which I have written this. Got it? Did you all like it? So this is what you would have seen in your textbook. This is what everybody uses commonly. And this is what I'll also use today. Got it? Now, this is variance. What is standard deviation? Standard deviation, my dear boys and girls, is nothing but the square root of variance. Standard deviation is what? It is nothing but the square root of variance. That's it. Over. Now let's go. Can you guys do this? Everybody, I want you to find the variance of these scores. Please do it quickly. Everybody go for it. Come on. The variance of these scores is how much? Yeah. So the variance of the scores 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So you have variance as what? What is the formula? It is going to be sigma xi square by n minus mean square. So what is the mean of all of them? The mean of all of them is 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 10, 30. So it's going to be 30 by, how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 30 by 5 is going to be 6. So that's your mean. So mean square is going to be 6 square. What is the sigma xi square? So first term square plus second term square plus third term square plus fourth term square plus fifth term square by 5 terms. So that is your variance. So how much is that going to be, my dear boys and girls? It's going to be 420, 56, 110. Is that right? No, 120. 120 plus 100, 220. So 220 by 5 minus 36. So it's going to be 44 minus 36, which is equal to 8. So is 8 the answer? Did you guys get 8? Very good, Siranjeevi. Very good, Vijaya. Vijaya, great job, great job. Mihir, welcome Mihir. Superb, superb, superb. So Vijaya is still here, silent. Vijaya is upset. Whatever I am typing, it's getting deleted, sir. Great, great, great. Deep Chand, welcome, welcome. Great. So people, try to solve this one. This is also a very nice question. Come on, guys. The variance of 10 natural numbers is less than 10. Okay. Then the maximum possible value of k is what? Then the maximum possible value of k is, so variance of 10 natural numbers, all of them are 1, 1, 1, 1 and k, that's it. So variance is what? Variance is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square 9 times. So it will be 9 plus k square by 10 minus 9 plus k by 10 whole square. Now this should be less than 10. Okay. Now you can cross multiply. So you'll have 90 plus 10k square minus 81 minus k square minus 18k is less than 10 into 100, 1000. So I just took LCM. See, this will be what? This will be 9 plus k the whole square by 100. So I took LCM. So I multiplied this by 10 and this by 10. So 90 plus 10k square minus 81 minus k square minus 18k divided by 100 is less than 10. So 100 I took it to the other side. So it will become what? 9k square minus 18k plus 9 is less than 1000. So you'll have what? 9 times k minus 1 whole square is less than 1000. So you'll have what? K minus 1 whole square is less than 1000 by 9. So k is less than 10 root 10 by 3 plus 1. So k should be lesser than this. So how much is this value? 10 root 10, any idea? Root 10 is what? 3 point something, right? 3.2. So 32 by 3. So k should be less than 11 point something. So k is equal to 11. That's the maximum value. The maximum possible value of k is 11. Did you all like it? Was it next level? Was it next level? Did you guys love it? Yup. Great, great, great. So people, very good question, right? It was a very nice question, guys. It uses the concept of variance. Please make sure you are all following it up carefully. Now, this is a very, very important one. Please listen carefully. Okay, please listen carefully. Let's say Vijaya scores 90 and 85 and 100 in her exams. Okay, in her exams. So I am gonna reduce 5 marks for her because her handwriting is very bad. So I reduce 5 marks for her. So it becomes 85, 80 and 95. So now the variance here and the variance here, will it be same or different? The variance here and the variance here, will it be same or different? It will be the same. Okay, because variance does not depend on origin. Variance does not depend or change when you add or subtract something to all the data. Listen carefully. Variance will not change if you add or subtract the same constant to every data value. Did you all like it? Variance will never change if you add or subtract the same constant to all the data. What if we multiply, sir? If you multiply, then the variance becomes whatever you multiply, that square times. So for example, 2, 4, 8, 6, 8, 10. What did we find out? We found out the variance was how much? Variance was 8. Is that right? We found out together only, no? The variance came out to be 8. The variance came out to be 8. So now if I double it, 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 6 into 2, 8 into 2, 10 into 2. Now for this data set, what is the variance? Can anybody tell? What will be the variance for this data set? It will be whatever number you are doubling, whatever number I multiplied everything with. I multiplied with 2, na? So I'm multiplying every data with 2. So that is square into old variance. So it will be 4 into 8, 32. You can calculate and check it. These are beautiful shortcuts. These are beautiful shortcuts. Did you like it? Was it amazing? Are you all happy? Very good, Ishan. Hello, Vaishal. Vijaya, very good. Mickey, welcome, Mickey. Nice to have you here. Great, great, great. So that's about it. So with that, people, let's go. Let's go to the next question. This is from 2021. Please try to solve it, guys. Everybody. All good? So very good question, guys. It's not very simple, but yeah, you can try it. Great. So standard deviation is D. So variance is what? Variance is standard deviation square. So that will be D square. So D square is equal to what? D square is equal to A plus 2, B plus 2, C plus 2 whole square. Correct, na? So guys, if variance of this is D square, then variance of ABC is also D square. Do you agree? Beautiful. See how I'm using the properties. Look at how beautifully I'm using the properties. Variance of A plus 2, B plus 2, C plus 2, it is D square, na? Why? Because variance is standard deviation square. So if this is the variance of this A plus 2, B plus 2, C plus 2, then ABC also will have variance as D square. So D square is what? Sigma xi square. So A square plus B square plus C square by 3 minus A plus B plus C by 3 whole square. So what is A plus B plus C? We know A plus C is B. So A plus C is B. So B plus B is 2B. So I'll have 2B by 3 the whole square. Now you can simplify it and get the answer. Over. Now you can simplify it. So you will have multiply by 9 everywhere. So I'll have 9D square is equal to 3A square plus 3B square plus 3C square minus 4B square. So that's your answer. I think you will have which option to be correct? I think D will be correct. D option. Is that right? I think D is the answer. Because 3B square minus 4B square will be minus B square. So minus B square, bring it to the left hand side. Take this to the right hand side. So you'll have B square is equal to 3 times of A square plus C square minus 9D square. Got it? Was it good, people? What are you all doing? Did you like it? Fantastico. So with that said, people, one more question. Come on, guys. Okay. But the conceptual part is over. This one maybe you guys can take it as a homework. I'll try to do the coefficient part. So that one you guys can take it as homework. I'll finish off the concept. This is the last one. This is the last one. Okay. After this, the concepts are over. So last concept for today is coefficient of variation. What is coefficient of variation? It is also a measure of how spread out your data is. It is also a measure of how spread out your data is. Okay, so what is CV? CV is equal to your standard deviation divided by mean into 100. So it will be given as a percentage. It will be given as a percentage. Got it? So standard deviation divided by mean into 100. Don't forget that. So now based on this, one chota question, that is all. This is the last one. So please try it out, people, everybody. Great. So they have two distributions. Okay, coefficient of variance is 50% for one. Okay, and for the other it is 60%. Okay, and the arithmetic means are, for the first one it is 30, for the second one it is 25. So standard deviation 1 will be what? 15. Standard deviation 2 will be what? That's also 15. So the answer is very good, Vijaya, you're right. Absolutely right. That's it. I hope you guys loved it. Very simple question to illustrate what is coefficient of variation. So that's about it. In case you enjoyed it, do let me know. And people, if you are in 12th standard, if you are preparing for JEE Mains, please make sure you all check out the crash course which is going on, because I will also be teaching in that. Okay, so this is the crash course which is gonna be there for you guys, and it is just 1800. I'll also be teaching along with Wasim sir and Shreyas sir. In case you are interested, check it out. This will be accessible until JEE Advanced. So even for second attempt you can use it. Okay, great. So that's about it. In case you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, share it to your friends, and also join our Telegram group. Okay, very good. Yes, Vijaya, absolutely. Whatever I planned, we have completed exactly in 1 hour. So people, do the homework and share it in the comments. Okay, take care guys. All the very best. Love you all. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.